Hey y'all, this is the all new shape FireCracker. We got a brand new inside dimension, different bore, makes it easier to control and easier to run. We got all new polycarbonate inserts that are spit techs. We got them in fluorescent and we got them in pearl, and it's a super easy call to run, full range, does everything. And one thing on every one of our polycarbonate calls now, we got a O-ring built in. It locks them in. You're still supposed to put a lanyard loop on the insert, but it locks them in for a perfect air seal and helps you keep from losing them out of your barrel.